the reason behind why I'm doing part 2 is I have got many more soft toys or teddy bears. So let's get on with the video. Let's go. Part 1's link will be down in the description box below. So the first soft toy I'm going to show you is these. And I think you have seen this in part 1. This is so cute. Like, look at his eyes. Look at his eyes. Number 2 is... Ow. I just hurt myself. So number 2 is this teddy bear and it is huge. Huge. Hi, my name is Teddy Bear and I am huge. It's very, very cute too. Time for the next teddy bear. Number 3 is this teddy bear. And this teddy bear is so old. When I was very, very small, my mom got me this and I love this. What soft toy is this teddy bear? And you have probably seen it in part 1. If you haven't seen part 1, go and check it out. And this is so cute. Wow. Time for the fourth soft toy. So the fourth soft toy is this minion. I know the eyes is kind of creepy and the smile is kind of creepy, but you know, I love minions. Next teddy bear is this cutie pie. This is an adorable bunny that I love. Next teddy bear is this. And it is much, much, much older than the earlier one that I showed them. I just wanted to say I love this. Next teddy bear is this. And I love this. Look at this. It is so adorable. Look at his feet. I mean, look at his paw. Next teddy bear is this. This is so cute. And look at his hat. Next is this here. And I have this adorable cutie pie. I love this. Like, this is so adorable. Then I have this cute Peppa Pig. And I have this Olive. I love you, Olive. And this is my favorite cartoon character, Doraemon. And also, see this act by me and my Doraemon. Doraemon, I can't do my homework. Can you give me a gadget to do my homework? No. And I have this doll. Now, the last teddy bear is this. Oh my god, it barely fits on the screen. So guys, this was my soft toy collection and this was the video. I hope you liked it. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share and comment, and see you in my next video. Bye!